I'm going to share, because okay, you look at this chart. Those who have watched my previous 2 videos, you know I'm going to talk about this video, okay, about the missing element. All right, 2 is water element, 8 and 3 is fire element, 1 is metal element, 3 and 9 is the wood element. So this career trend missing the earth element. So okay, does that mean that this year you can't do anything that belongs to the earth element? Is that so? No, okay. How do I phrase it? Okay, previously I shared the 9 forecast, all right, 1 to 9, the forecast video. Some have very good numbers, some numbers are not so good. So for those who have very good chart, good numbers, I will actually encourage them to do what they have planned, or if they have any major changes they want to do, or do some investment, I will encourage them to go ahead. Then for those who do not have very good numbers this year, okay, I will not ask them to stop what they are doing, because some people will tell you you can't do anything, okay, this year because your luck is very bad. So please stop what you are doing, stay very, very low profile. That is not the case, okay. Instead, you just need to maintain what you're doing. All right, you just need to maintain what you're doing. No need to give up everything you are doing. All right, so same as this career trend, even if don't have the earth element, doesn't mean those who are suitable to for the earth element, those jobs, they can't do anything this year. You just need to maintain what you are doing. That's all. All right. So okay, this video, I've finished sharing the career trend already. So those who want to ask me about your own number, please give me your either your birth date, or if you are just giving me the 4 numbers, please indicate whether it is your birth date number or the yearly chart number.